Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Odpaltoy F98pro, a 95-key mechanical keyboard that's making waves with its unique features and striking design. This keyboard isn't just about typing, it's about making a statement. The first thing that grabs your attention is the full transparency. The case and keycaps are crafted from high-quality transparent materials, showcasing the vibrant south-facing RGB backlighting. With 19 different lighting effects, the F98pro turns your desk into a light show, even in dimly lit environments. The characters on the keycaps are printed using a special process that ensures they won't fade or wear off easily, which is a huge plus for longevity. One of the standout features of the F98pro is its hot-swappable design. This means you can easily replace the mechanical switches without any soldering or complicated disassembly. The keyboard is compatible with both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, giving you a wide range of customization options. If a key breaks, or you just want to try out a new switch type, swapping them out is a breeze. The F98pro also boasts an OLED smart display, protected by an aluminum alloy casing. This screen is more than just a gimmick. It's a functional tool that enhances the keyboard's usability. Controlled by a knob, the OLED screen allows you to switch between different display pages, including a main page, a GIF page, and a function settings page. On the function settings page, you can adjust various keyboard settings, such as the connection mode, Bluetooth, 2.4G, or USB-C, system switching, backlight mode, color, brightness, speed, volume control, and language selection. The knob makes navigating these settings intuitive and easy. What's even cooler is that you can customize the OLED screen with your own images and GIFs using the compatible software, adding a personal touch to your keyboard. Connectivity is versatile with Bluetooth 5.0, a 2.4G wireless connection, and a USB-C port. The keyboard also features a dual-layered foot support frame and a curved finger contact design, which minimizes fatigue during long typing sessions. Powering all these features is a 4,000 mAh battery, ensuring that the keyboard lasts for extended periods. In summary, the Odpaltoy F98pro is a feature-rich mechanical keyboard that combines aesthetics with functionality. Its transparent design, customizable RGB lighting, hot-swappable switches, and OLED smart display make it a standout product in the crowded keyboard market. If you're looking for a keyboard that's both visually stunning and highly customizable, the F98pro is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.